In this quick guide, you'll learn how to transfer money from Chase to HSBC. Transferring money between bank accounts can seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, it's a seamless process. Let's dive in and get started. First things first, make sure you have the Chase mobile app installed on your device. If you haven't done so already, download it from your app store and ensure it's up to date. Once that's all set, log into your Chase account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, which is your main control center for managing your finances with Chase. On the dashboard, look for the Pay and Transfer option. This is where you'll initiate the process of moving your money. Tap on it, and you'll be presented with several choices. From these options, select Transfer Money. This will allow you to specify the details of your transfer. Now, it's time to choose the account you want to transfer money from. This will likely be your primary Chase checking or savings account. Once you've selected the correct account, tap Transfer To and look for the option to add external account. Since you're sending money to HSBC, you'll need to enter the details for this external account. Carefully enter your HSBC account information, including the routing number and your account number. These numbers ensure that your money reaches the right destination. Double check to make sure the details are correct, as any errors could delay your transfer. After entering the account details, follow the on-screen instructions to verify and link your HSBC account with Chase. This step is crucial for security purposes, ensuring that you are indeed the owner of both accounts. Once your HSBC account is successfully linked, it's time to specify the transfer amount. Enter the desired amount you wish to send. Before proceeding, take a moment to review all the details. Confirm that you've selected the correct accounts and that the transfer amount is accurate. When everything looks good, tap Transfer to complete the transaction. Chase will process your request and your money will be on its way to your HSBC account. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from Chase to HSBC. By using the Chase mobile app, you've made this process quick and straightforward. With this skill under your belt, you can now manage your financial transfers with ease.